This is the strongest self-working card trick ever created that you can learn in less than 5 minutes. So the magician has a deck of cards, and he cleanly shows that all the cards in the deck are completely different. He then says that he's going to make a prediction. So he goes through the cards and chooses one card as his prediction. This is going to remain in sight the entire time. He then turns the cards over and starts dealing them down onto the table one by one. And he tells the spectator that all the cards are different and they can say stop whenever they like. So the spectator says stop here. The magician stops exactly where the spectator tells him to, and then squares up the packets and asks the spectator to point to one of the two piles. So the spectator in this case points to this pile here, so the magician turns over the top card and it's an 8. So he picks up the next pile and says we're going to deal off 8 cards from the pile that you randomly created earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then he places this pile here and this pile here. Incredibly, the spectator had a free choice to stop whenever they wanted, and the card they stopped on here was an 8. The card they stopped on here was an 8. So is this card, and so is the magician's prediction. The spectators are fooled. But then the magician stops and says, look, that's a good trick, but I wanted to take it even further. You see, this box has been in view the entire time, and if you look at the barcode on the box, you will see it says, you will choose the 8. The spectator is mind blown. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. It's Oscar Owen here, and I hope you enjoyed that magic trick. It's really simple, it's self-working, but it hits so hard, and if you're a beginner, then this is the perfect magic trick for you to learn. Now, very quickly, if you want to become an amazing magician, become the life of the party, and learn magic in less than 90 days, then please check out my magic course, Card Magic Pro. It's the most popular magic course in the world with over 10,000 students. Honestly, it just teaches the best magic tricks ever, and it will turn you into an amazing magician in 90 days or less. And honestly, it's perfect for beginners who just want to learn the best magic tricks ever created. So click the first link in the description if you want to sign up. So this is truly one of my favorite effects that you can learn in just a few minutes. And the reason I like this effect so much is that it builds on itself and it just gets more and more impossible as you reveal all the different 8s, especially with the barcode reveal at the end. Now, to begin, what you need to do is pull out all 4 8s from the deck, and then if you want to do the barcode finish, you don't have to, but if you want to, click one of the links in the description and you'll be able to download this barcode, and basically it just says you will choose the 8 on it, as you can see. So you can then stick that onto the bottom of the box and you're ready to get going. The first thing you need to do is place one of the 8s on top of the deck. Then place another 8 randomly in the middle, and this will be the card that you predict later on. And then finally turn the deck over and count off 7 cards. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then in the 8th and 9th position, you're just going to place these 2 8s here. Then you square everything up, put the deck of cards in the box, and you're ready to basically perform this trick whenever someone asks to see a magic trick. So, you bring out the cards and you tell the spectator that you have a deck of cards here and that all of the cards are completely different. The next thing you're going to do is then tell the spectator that you're going to make a prediction. So you bring the cards to yourself and you just go through and you find the 8s that you put randomly in the middle of the deck earlier. So in this case, it's this card here, and you place that to the side. And you tell the spectators that this is going to be your prediction. The next thing you're going to do is turn the deck of cards over and start dealing the cards down one at a time. And as you do this, it's very important you deal the cards down and get past these 2 8s here before the spectator says stop. So you deal these cards very quickly, and you don't tell the spectator right away, hey, say stop. You say, hey, look, all the cards here are completely different. And then once you get past these 2 cards, you then say, and what I want you to do is just say stop whenever you like. So the spectator can say stop wherever they want, and then you place this pile to the side and this pile that was in your hand to the very left. You then turn over both of these piles and you're going to ask the spectator to point to one of the piles. Now what we're going to do here is what is known as magician's choice. This pile on the very left is going to have an 8 on top of it. And what we want is to turn this card over. So you ask the spectator, points to one of these two piles. If they point to this pile, you go fantastic, and you turn this card over. If they point to this pile here, you say awesome, we're going to use this pile, and then you turn this card over anyway, and then you pick up the pile that they pointed to. This is called Magician's Choice, and it seems like the spectator is making a decision when in reality, you're controlling the spectator's actions. So let me just do that one more time. Let's just say you say point to a pile, they say this pile here, you go awesome, we'll use this pile then, and then you turn this card over and you say, okay, the pile that you chose, we're going to deal down 8 cards. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you place this pile here. Now, naturally, what's automatically happened is if you turn this card over, it's an 8, this card over, it's an 8, and then this is also going to match your prediction. The spectators at this point will react because this is a really powerful trick. And then what I like to do is say, but look, I wanted to take this one step further. You turn around the box and tell them to look at the barcode, and initially they won't ever notice it. So you say, look at the box there, and they look at it and they don't see anything, and then you say, look at the barcode, and that's when they see you will choose the 8, and that's when they really freak out. I hope you enjoyed learning this trick, guys, and I'll see you soon. Now, if you enjoyed this prediction trick, then you're going to love this magic trick here, where I teach you how to read someone's mind. So go and check out that video now.